Another source of noise concern could be coming from the bottom of your refrigerator. We've removed the grill here and we notice that this refrigerator is sitting right on the floor. This is not what you want. This is your leveling leg. Refer to your use and care guide because they do vary from model to model, and you're going to adjust the leg so that it raises the refrigerator off of the floor, and that'll help prevent noise coming from the bottom of the refrigerator.
Remember to always refer to your use and care guide.